maiden address of our 49th Association President, the one and only Sunita Jain. May I invite Sunita ji to give her maiden address.
Immediate past Association President Preeti Gugnani, our very dignified Chief Guest and International Innerweave President Mamta Gupta, valuable team of Association executives, my very vibrant, shining Association Council members newly installed, all the dynamic effervescent District Chairman 24-25, IIW Treasurer Sarita Lunani, IIW Editor and Media Manager Prabha Raghunandan, the luminaries of Innerweave India, the past International Innerweave Presidents, Anita Agarwal, Kamla Ramakrishnan, Abha Gupta, Dr. Kapila Gupta, Dr. Beena Vyas. A galaxy of distinguished PAPs, past district chairs, district executives, and each and every Innerweave member. Members of my home district 305 and home club Innerweave Gwalior, Rotarians, my sisters and brothers, my lovely sons and daughters, my granddaughters, my dear friends, and a very special call for my Samdhin. She is very much in front of me. Let me first congratulate Preeti Gugnani for a very successful tenure 23-24. Well done, Preeti. We are all very proud of you. Need your support to the entire journey of mine. I never imagined, dear friends, that one day I will enjoy the joy of becoming Association President. I seek everybody's blessings, Ashirwad, and good wishes for the coming Innerweave New Year in full. What can I say? You can see the smile on my face, and it's the one you all gave me. Without your relentless support and love, I wouldn't have been standing here today. The sheer joy of being installed as Association President leaves me feeling more humbled, and it seems life has become magical as I am taking the reins of this association of Innerweave clubs in India, which is the Kohinoor in the crown of international Innerweave. I feel greatly honored and pleased to welcome you all and extend my heartiest gratitude for reposing faith in me to lead this prestigious association of Innerweave clubs in India. So dear all, I am very much looking forward to serving alongside International Innerweave President Mamta Gupta, and I am excited to make a difference with you all in the first year of the second century, that is the 101st Innerweave year. A distinguished year as we begin the new century by giving a global leader to lead the international Innerweave. To show what our leaders and projects are, what better and more could we ask for 24-25? The first triennial of the new century has also fallen in our laps, and I am highly blessed to be the 17th triennial president, which will be a glorious event being hosted by District 301. We are 1,700 plus clubs and 57,000 plus members, and we help the community in all aspects and different fields. And our target is to show the importance of our country to the world. We need to acquire, aspire, and inspire. We have to inspire ourselves and others. We need to have a strong desire to achieve something and encourage others. Our brightest dreams and our greatest fears are just over the horizon. Spread your wings and fly beyond the horizon. Horizon is the theme of 17th Triennial Conference, dear friends, to be held on the 7th, 8th and 9th February 2025 at Delhi, the capital city of India. We seek to position our country as a beacon of hope in the eyes of the world, following the International Innovate theme, Heartbeat of Humanity, with passion, dedication, and a shared vision. It will be a year of blessings for us as we together shall create opportunities for women, the youth, the elderly, the weaker communities, and those in darkness, for them to have better tomorrow, better lives. We need to work together as a team. Working together encourages new ideas to sprout and innovative projects to evolve. In this new inaugural year, where our international president has marked us as heartbeat of humanity, we all have new chance to change the world for the better through innovate serving humanity, as every heartbeat counts and every action matters. I wish the incoming association executives, the newly installed council members, and all the chairs at all levels for their willingness to serve. And I do look forward to your dedication, commitment, and support, dear girls. Every one of us have something to give, whoever we are. We can give our talent, our knowledge, our time, our abilities, and our efforts. We can give our dedication and devotion. All these are free of cost. So be a gift to the world of Innovate and make a genuine difference in the lives of others. Dear miraculous leaders of the district chairs 24-25, like the pilot of a district, you have to keep the moving and keep motivating all the clubs to be on the 5th gear and keep the spirit of Innovate alive and burning bright by being the bricklayers in building a strong society, giving a strong foundation. So we are ready to fly and soar high. We can turn ordinary moments into extraordinary with our enthusiasm. Begin the year with strength of unity, oneness, and synergy. Work with full power as we are leaders in action, ready to make a difference and leave an indelible mark in the path of community development. Taking one step forward is often the key ingredient to long-standing success. Proper planning marks one vital step closer to fulfilling your vision. So plan, understand, and execute. The more we invest, the better are your returns. Remember, dear, I am only as strong as the backing of my 27 association council members, 27 district chairmen, association executives, presidents, and each and every member of Innovate across the country. And words cannot express my gratitude to you all for the unwavering support that has led to this very moment. And the flames lit by our past leaders are now blazing. The organization has flourished because of their unparalleled efforts. My salutations to all the lovely ladies. My salutations to one and all present here today for me. My deep reverence to the shining international and national stars of Innovate India, who led all of us in spectacular fashion. I have the utmost respect for all for being here to bless me as I take on, and this is pilot and the post of 49th Association President, with this valuable jewel adorning my neck as I take the sankalp. संकल्प नई उड़ान का, संकल्प नए विश्वास का, संकल्प आपके साथ का, संकल्प ममता के हाथ का, संकल्प सेवा भाव का, संकल्प 27 एसीज का, संकल्प 27 डीसीज का, संकल्प एक नए इतिहास का, संकल्प आप सबके मान का, संकल्प एसोसिएशन की शान का। Friends, we will work together so that we can smile together. All Innerwheel members work very hard, but you all make it look effortless. Thanks a ton for all the hard work and support. And 1 minute, if you all permit me, I need to mention the strong support of my family, my brothers and sisters, and very especially my 2 sons-in-law before I say my daughters. Definitely my daughters are a strong support. My sons-in-law are the strongest support for me. And my 3 grandchildren, and I cannot see them. My 3 grandchildren, they are cherry on the cake of my strength. At every moment of my journey, they keep me strong and keep making me stronger. Now 2 lines for all of you who have traveled all the distance for me. एहसान मेरे दिल पे, एहसान मेरे दिल पे तुम्हारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों, ये दिल तुम्हारे प्यार का मारा है दोस्तों. Wishing all the leaders at all levels profound power to shape the dreams of millions in the coming days. Loads of love and blessings, yours in Innerwheel for the coming 365 days, 24 hours. This is the captain of your ship, Association President Sunita Jain, speaking to you. Thank you, and have a safe flight 24/7.
Thank you, Sunita, for your maiden address. I gained inspiration from William Faulkner, who said, and I quote, "Always dream and shoot higher than you know you can do." Don't bother just to be better than your contemporaries or predecessors. Try to be better than yourself. This is for you, Sunita, from all of us. May I now request you to speak about the goals of the year 24-25.
Where we get up every day, knowing that we can make a difference. Permit me to share with joy with all of you some of my plans, my goals of the year 24-25. I have planned a bouquet of projects. Can I have the video, please? Thank you so much. Saying, the longest distance we have to travel is the connection between our head and our heart. Can I have the roadmap to service and Sahara and Sambal slides, please? I am not reading, not speaking out. I believe it's quite clear, and it would be better if you all just read it. Next, keep moving. We need to have blood donation drives, initiate Meals on Wheels, and let the kindness of your blood flow to others. Be green ambassadors. 1st July, we can all work on this. From dependence to independence, this is very, very close to my heart, friends. Arrange camps, identify and give a dignified life by giving Jaipur food. To regain mobility, function and independence, give the amputees a new lease of life with prosthetic limbs. Mission Muskan. For the little hearts, develop toy bank and story banks for hospital pediatric wards, for little angels in distress and illness, so that we make them smile. Look at this, please. A very simple thing I am asking. Shagun ka saal, 101वां saal, the entire district in totality. I am just asking you 101 swing machines from the entire district, wherever and whenever the need is there, whatever part of your district. 101 prosthetic or artificial limbs, 101 bicycles, 101 mass marriages. Everybody can do at ease according to the need and necessity and the month you decide. 101 happy schools, 101 eye operations, where districts where we have clubs more than 100, it will just fall one in one club. Just one bicycle for one club, one happy school for one club, you will land in 101, more than 101, because there are many districts which have clubs more than 100. 101 eye operations, 101 new in a millennium, new members, or in multiples of 101. And please, one more request with folded hands. 101 members for the trip to Triennial. 101 members from each district for the Triennial. So we land in the total of 2727. My friends, my AC members, my DCs and each and every member of the district sitting out here, please do carry my message. Please do initiate right from now. Very soon we will be releasing the Triennial video and the Triennial details also. So just start strong. Now here comes IILM, Innovate India Literacy Mission. To achieve total literacy and quality education, we have designed a comprehensive program named as Disha. D is for development of children. I is to improve teachers' skills through teachers' training. We had all been doing this years back. We have done in abundance. Smart learning, that means smart classrooms, happy schools and adult literacy. My dear friends, I take pride in announcing, can I have past International Innovate President Abha Gupta ji, the main advisor for the IILM, can you please rise? Can I have Sarita Lunani, IIW Treasurer? They both are there to take the ship of the IILM forward. May I have the 4 ZLCCs? I believe ZLCC Dr. Urmil Bareja is not there. Smita Pingle ji, PAP Smita Pingle, International Interview Media Manager Prabha Raghulandan, and one more I am missing. Vimla Ibrahim ji is also not there. Yes, PAP Vimla Ibrahim ji is also not there. Dear friends, we have to work very hard for IILM. We have set goals. We'll let you know very soon. My booklet will be floating very soon, within 15-20 days. And then we'll start working very hard on it. And I know, all of you know all about IILM, and you will be working very hard. I believe this is all what I have to say for today. And if you all permit, may I call my daughters on the stage, please. If I can have Babu, Kannu, Ankur, Siddharth here. If you all permit, can I? Just for a minute. Yeah.
Before you invite your family members, Sunita, thank you, Madam President, for celebrate and for the roadmap that you have given us. Indeed, a Herculean task, 101 of everything, but we will do it. And may your goals become a reality. A loud round of Talia to cheer a new leader and her new goals. For any mother to have her daughters and grandchildren around her. I invite her 2 sons also on the dais, her sisters and brothers who are here, who have come all the way from the US. Quickly, please, can we have you on the dais, please?
Joy also. Can I have the joy of having Joy here? I call my Sandin as Joy. Can I have Deepak also? I can see Deepak, he's my Sandhi sitting out there. And to everybody's amazement, Deepak and me, we were both classmates in Carmel Convent School.
बोलते हैं ना, रोंगटे खड़े हो जाते हैं प्यार से.
All my sisters here, my brothers.
They have traveled all the way from USA to be with Sunita during her happy moment. A Kodak moment for the family members. On a brand new association president's request, may I invite the district chairman of Sunita's here to come up